Holy dude, what's really going on? Were you partying? Were you, you're just relaxing?
Just chilling.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, toast and eggs won't be too long probably. Did you ever find my my charger?
Actually, when I went to the wall, I picked up some of that stuff.
Snow fell off the roof. That's what that noise was. You want to hear a funny story? Remember when you came in for soup and a sandwich or whatever the fuck it was?
Last Friday?
Yeah. And like Tiffany was out, right, having Christmas with her friends. So she came back and she thought that one of the dogs shit on the floor. Right? So like she came in, remember, she was like tearing the couch apart and going through, the carpets and dog beds and all that shit, and she's tearing the place apart, remember? And I was like, oh, that's Stinkfinger. And my dog didn't shit on the floor, that's Stinkfinger.
Oh, yeah.
And then she's just not even paying any attention. She's just like coming in, she's like, what the hell? She's like looking behind the couch. She's like, where?
Oh, this is talking about how my feet stink. I thought she was talking about me or something, because my feet, everyone's telling me.
Right? So she's like, for like half an hour, every time, she's like making dinner. So she come in the living room, every time she comes in, she's like, man, the dog's shit in here. Like, I can smell it. It's this now. I'm like, man, it's Stinkfinger, dude. And then, when she brought the food out, she put mine on the table and she was like, is that really him? I'm like, yeah. She's like, oh my God.
Yeah, she thought the dog shit.
Yeah, but it was really just you. Eh? It was really just you, for f***'s sakes. Buddy, why do you reek so bad?
Oh, it was my feet.
Oh, you got new sneakers?
No, Josh bought me those, but I got new socks.
You got them on backwards though. See, this part's the heel. That part goes on the back though, buddy.
What? No.
Yeah. Look at, see right there? How it's all bulged up right there? That's the heel. That goes on the other side. Like your sock is shaped like this, just like your foot.
Oh, and I probably haven't showered in like 5 days at that time, so that doesn't help. Even with clean socks.
I seen you got into the baby wipes. Is that what that is?
Baby wipes?
That's either that or like dryer sheets or something, but there was like 200 what I thought was baby wipes in the garbage bin, but they were like all around and on top and not in, but around and amongst the garbage.
Oh, those were probably just for when I wipe those sanitized wipe for your car, kind of.
Oh, yeah. See, I thought you were like wiping your butthole and stuff with those. And you get baby wipes. And you can do, you know what I mean? So that's why your butthole scratches so bad all the time. Because you don't clean it. Is that what happened?
I do have those disinfected wipes because my mom bought me those. So.
Maybe she's like giving you a little hint of peenie. You know what I mean? Maybe your mom was giving you a little hint of peenie, right, buddy?
You don't have audio in it?
On what?
Those cameras?
Right there.
But it doesn't have you can't program, so you don't need that?
Well, you can, but then the audio's junk. So over here, the camera's over there, it can only hear you a little bit. And then it's picking up all the background noises and all type of shit and stuff too, right? But yeah, we're almost there, boys. We got a couple things. Oh, check this out. You should help me just tell people about this. I'll bring it over here so they can see. Can they see? This is the vtoman, buddy.
What's that?
It's the vtoman. This is something that you need. Look at it. Do you like decals?
Stickers?
Yeah, vtoman. But it's got the little package here. Should go way closer, eh? It's got the package with the contents. So this is what we're giving away, boys. You got to go to onepuglife.com, and then you can. It's got the charger and everything in there, all the wires and stuff that you need. You go to onepuglife.com. So we can't wreck this one because one of you guys is going to own this. The thing that I like about the vtomans, can you scent it? Can you scent it?
1800 watts.
Yeah.
That thing's
right?
powerful.
But so this guy here, you know, it's got your receptacles, your USBs, your USB-Cs, your light, your plug, your inputs, your outputs. It's got a guy for a car battery, and then your jump starter Erskine. So you can take this. This is an option that's sold separately. So unfortunately, I mean, I'm gonna message them and see if they'll send one to do with it. But see, now you can send that, and you got a jump starter for your car. All the other ones, and they don't have that option. 82% capacities right now, right out of the box. So that's good. But yeah, that's the guy there. 1800 watts. You've seen me using the vtomans. The vtoman, same deal. It's got the friggin' the jump starter. I'll have to read the instructions, see what the battery one is. That, you know, maybe that's for, I don't know, it looks like a car battery though, so who knows. But and then the vtomans get the air pump chucher and a 2500 amp jump starter, 150 psi air compressor unit, vtoman. So freaking rates for that. But yeah, that's the one we're giving away right here, boys. You just got to go to onepuglife.com and check it out, eh? Hey.
Yeah.
Did you ever go up in the lair? Do you want to go up in the lair with me? You know what goes on up there?
Your office?
Yeah.
Sure, I know.
Did you ever think? Sometimes I can look out the window and see you wanking in the trailer. Did you know that? So there's the trailer right back here. I put this.
Oh shit! You're on the chilling spot.
Yeah. Are you a classy fella or are you like horse? What size? Large?
Medium.
Medium? Oh, I don't got any mediums. How about a large?
Yeah.
Hey, classy fella. What do you think, bud? That's awesome, eh?
Classy fella.
Alright. Got all type of inventories now. Holy, right? Oh, hats too. Check this out. You can check all this stuff out on the website too, but you know, just some inventories, onepuglife.com and stuff, you know what I mean, and customs, that type of thing. But yeah, basically friggin' get my print on and my wank on and stuff in there, you know what I mean? But this, I might have to get you to give me a couple pumps if I get under there. If I get under there with this guy here, then I can take a little bit more of this. You see, I got her out to like right there, but then right here it's still pushed in, so I'm just gonna push that out there, carry along back and forth until we got her out. And over here, I mean, that's good enough for inwood big time. So that's awesome. That was smidge great in. But the one thing that happened, I don't know if you'll even be able to be noticed, because it's going to be a correlation factor, but see that bolt right there? That's on a terrible accrement. You see the friggin' engine mounts like here, but the bolt's like way off to the side there. So we've totally shoved the body over big time doing that. gap for the bumper there, and then the gap for the bumper there. There got 0 fingers and 3 fingers, so that's just something I'll just have to take into accordulation before we, you know, get all carried away. But I ended up having to cut right through the floor right there, right through the floor and the support beam, because the support beam's got a kinkolini into it big time, so I got to get that off of there. But of course, Amazon's lost my good drill bit, so I don't even have one. I mean, I haven't checked the mail yet either. Canada Post was on strike for a month, so of course, as soon as I open up the store, Canada Post goes on strike for a month. So I got all these orders building up. As soon as they friggin', you know, come back to work, friggin' sent them off, and that was, holy shit, that was stressful having those here. But yeah, they're all shipped out now. Everybody's ordered something has been shipped anyway. Probably haven't gotten it yet because they're backlogged terrible from the strike. But yeah, if you go to oneplugout.com, pick yourself up a friggin' couple friggin' decals or a keychain or a hat or a shirt or a hoodie or a pack of cigarettes. We'll friggin' participation in the windward factor of the vtoman there, so that'll be awesome. But yeah, we got to eat some eggs, and then when we're done eating eggs, we'll do some bending on the sub chassis. Yeah.